Now here we have to factorize x into x minus y the whole cube plus 3x square y times x minus y. So let us write down the given algebraic expression. So we have x times x minus y the whole cube plus 3x square y into x minus y. Now first of all, let us take out the common factors. If you observe, we could take x as a common factor from x and x square. We take x as the common factor, and from x minus y the whole cube and x minus y, we could take x minus y as the common factor. So the remaining terms are, from here we have x minus y the whole square plus, now 3 is left out, and here we have x, then we have y, right? So here one of the x terms has been taken outside, x minus y is taken outside, so we have 3xy, the remaining term. Now we just need to simplify this further. So we have x into x minus y. Now we expand this, so we have x square plus y square minus 2xy plus 3xy. So the final value would be, we have x into x minus y into x square plus y square. Now 3xy minus 2xy, that's plus xy. So this is how we factorize the given expression. Now here we have to factorize the following algebraic expressions. The first one is 5a square minus 20ab. Now if you observe carefully, 5 is the common factor in both the terms, so we could take 5 as a common factor, and here we have an a square and here we have a, so we could take a as the other common factor. So within brackets we are left with, now 5 has been taken out, a square, and here we have a, so we are left with a over here, minus, now 5 4s is 20, so we have a 4 over here, a is already outside, and here we have b, so 5a times a minus 4b. Let's see the next one. 36 a²b minus 60 a²bc. Now if you observe, 36 and 60 both are multiples of 12, so we could take 12 as the common factor. Now here we have a cube and here we have a square, so we could take a square as the common factor. Now in both the terms we have b, so we take b as the third common factor. So within brackets we have, now 12 3s is 36, so we are left with 3 over here. Now from a cube we've taken a square common, so we have 1a left inside, b is already taken outside, minus, now 12 5s is 60, so we have a 5 over here. Now a square is taken common, b is taken common, so we are left with c. So our answer is 12a²b into 3a minus 5c. Let's go for the next one. 5a brackets b plus c minus 7b in brackets b plus c. Now if you observe, we have b plus c as a common term, right? So if we take b plus c as a common term, the terms left out are 5a minus 7b. So we have 5a minus 7b. And let us look at the last one. Here we have 6 times 2a plus 3b the whole square minus 8 times 2a plus 3b. Now if we observe carefully over here, we could take 2a minus 3b as a common factor from both these brackets. Also 2 could be taken as the common factor. So the common factors which we could take here are 2 and 2a plus 3b. So in the other bracket we have, now 2 3s are 6, so we have 3 over here, and 2a plus 3b square, of which 2a plus 3b has been taken outside, so we are left with one bracket, that is 2a plus 3b minus, now this term is already taken outside, now 2 4s is 8, so we have a 4 over here. So we have 2 times 2a plus 3b. Let us simplify this. Now 3 into 2, that becomes 6a, 3 3s are, so we have 9b minus 4. So this is the final answer. Now here we have to factorize the given algebraic expressions. The first one here is ab plus bc plus ax plus cx. Now if you observe, in the first two terms we could take b as the common factor, then within brackets we would have a plus c. From the third and the fourth terms we could take x as the common factor, and again we have in brackets a plus c. So finally our factors are a plus c, right, into b plus x. Let's look at the second one. 6ab minus b square plus 12ac minus 2bc. Now here we could take b as the common term, so in brackets we would have 6b minus b. Let's try and take b as the common factor over here. So within brackets we have 6a minus b, and from these two terms we could take 2c as the common factor. Let's take 2c as the common factor. So in brackets we have 6a minus b. So finally we have 6a minus b into b plus 2c. Now let's go for the next one, that is x square plus 3x plus x plus 3. Let us factorize this expression. Now from the first and the second term we could take x common, so within brackets we have x plus 3, and from the third and the fourth terms we could take 1 as the common factor, so within brackets we have x plus 3. So finally our factors are x plus 3 into x plus 1. Now let's see the fourth one. The fourth one is a square plus b minus ab minus a. Now here in the first and second term nothing could be taken common, right? So factorization won't happen. So we need to rearrange the term. There is nothing common in a square and b. So let us rearrange the terms and see. Let us bring together all the a terms. So we have a square minus a. We bring these two terms together, and b minus ab. Now if we take a as the common term over here, so within brackets we have a minus 1, and over here we take b as the common factor, so in brackets we have 1 minus a. However, 1 minus a could be changed to a minus 1, right? So we have a into a minus 1. Now if we change 1 minus a into a minus 1, we have to change the sign over here. So the plus sign becomes minus. So please see this step very carefully. 1 minus a. If you write it as a minus 1, then you have to take the negative sign outside. So now we have the factors a minus 1. That's the first factor. And the second factor is a minus b.